Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert YouTube videos to PowerPoint slides. All right, so let's begin with the video. If you're wondering how to add a YouTube video to your PowerPoint presentation, it's actually pretty easy. The only thing you need is PowerPoint. Once you have PowerPoint open, go to the Insert tab. Under Insert, you will see a section called Video. Click on Video and you'll see three options: from this device, stock videos, and online video. Since we want to attach a YouTube video, select Online Video. Wait for it to load. Now you have many options. You can video from YouTube, Vimeo, and many options right here. Or if you already have a specific video, paste its embed code. To get the embed code, open Google Chrome and go to YouTube. Find the video you want to add. Right-click on the video and select Copy Embed Code. Now go back to PowerPoint and paste the embed code by either pressing Ctrl-V on your keyboard or right-clicking and selecting Paste. It will show you the preview of your video. Then, click the Insert button, and the video will be added to your slide. If you want to resize the video, click and drag the corners to adjust its size. You can also position it anywhere on the slide. To play the video without presenting, simply click on it and the video controls will appear. Click the play button and the video will start playing inside PowerPoint. If you want to play the video during a presentation, go to the Slideshow tab and start your presentation. Once the slide appears, click the play button in the center of the video and it will start playing. Now, what if you want the video to start at a specific time? Here's how. By default, when you copy an embed code, it plays from the beginning. However, if you need it to start at a specific time, click on the Share button below the YouTube video, then select Embed. Scroll down, and you'll see an option to start at a certain time, for example, 1 minute and 27 seconds. Check this box, and the embed code will update automatically. If you need a custom start time, change the time manually in the box. Then click Copy at the bottom right. Go back to PowerPoint, click Insert, go to Video, and select Online Video again. Paste the updated embed code and click Insert. Wait for it to load, then click the video to play it. So that's basically how you can convert YouTube videos to PowerPoint slides. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.